Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, there are two methods that you can use to add music to your videos in Capcut. First, just go to the audio section. Now you see options like music, sound effects, copyright, extract audio, TikTok sounds, and brand music. But we mostly use music and sound effects. So if you want to add music, just click on Music, then choose the track that you like. You also search specific keywords for music type as well. And once you're done, just drag on to the video. The same goes for sound effects. But if you want to add music that is not available here in CapCut Music Library, and you have downloaded it from another website, then just go on the Import section and click right here now. Select or search the soundtrack that you have downloaded, and then click on Open or press Enter. Now just drag the music onto the video and adjust it as you want. That is how you can add music to CapCut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.